tutorial on how to make Christmas bingo cards. There are no numbers or letters in this version. Some people print out a couple copies and use it as a party game. Others think of it more as a holiday I spy. You add images or words of things you might hear, see, or do around the holiday season. We've got a free template. Just click on the link in the description to be taken to Kapwing, a free online video and image editing platform. You have two options for filling in your bingo card. You can use text or images. To add text, click on the text icon in the upper left corner. Position, double-click, and type. You can change the color and your font. To add more text, simply copy and paste that text box, reposition, and then type something else. Your filled out card will look like this. Now, if you want to add images instead of text, click on the image icon in the upper left. If you want them all to have a similar look and feel, you could also type something like cartoon or illustration. Resize and place. Now, this one's got some extra stuff on the side, so I'm going to click on the image and then click over here to crop. Get rid of that border. Your finished card will look like this. When you're done, click on the red export button up here on the right. Congratulations, you're all done. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome tutorials.